Hello everybody. This week I am on the North York Moors camping at Marfit Farm because tomorrow morning I am doing a 13-mile route around the Hole of Horcum, and this is my setup for a solo person, so I'll give you a little tour. And here we have my awning that you saw in one of the previous week's videos. Now it's just got a sidewall on it, mainly because there's a lot of wind coming from that direction, so it just blocks that breeze and gives me a little bit of extra room to store my food and my fridge down here and my water, because I don't want that all inside the van. Got my electric hookup is under there. So obviously I've got my little kitchen set up here, my table with my laptop. Bluetti is down there. Here is my bed, which at the moment I'm just using as a couch. You see the little brown bit over there? That is furry Kody's bed. This is the back end of it. Just here, I've got my little toilet set up here. One of those bin bag toilets with some gel in it. So it's just for emergencies when I need to go in the night, because the toilet block's actually like a 5-10 minute walk from here. Still got quite a bit of room down there to get in and out. At the front is just where I stash all my clothes, my window blind. Lunchtime. Turkey sandwiches in order, I think. I don't know about anybody else, but what I tend to do is get my wash bowl out so that when my dirty dishes are done, I just chuck them in here, and then in the evening I just go do it all in one big go. It's just easier that way. That's my knife. What happened there? Oh dear. All right, salt and pepper. I'm just having lunch and I've realised it's 5:10. What is your go-to lunch on camp? Because I feel like I definitely need some options here. So if anyone's got some options, some good ideas for lunch, let me know. Right now, I'm going for a turkey and salad sandwich. Wow, they really made this difficult to get into. Jesus, nope, that didn't work. What kind of daft container is this? Oh, proper job. Welcome to my little buzz. Plenty of room for me and Kody. I love the single setup. I have enough room, stretch out. Kody's got his little bed right here, so he's comfy. Just gonna catch up on a little bit of work and then sit back and watch some TV.
I'll give you 20. What's this? Through some issues. Do with that where it is a crown.
While I remembered, I just want to quickly talk about the heat pump system that I have in the bus. If you want to camp in it, definitely get the heat pump rather than just the regular heating, because it was a bit nippy when I got into the car. So I went into the app and I put on the heating, and it's set to go on for 30 minutes. So when I first got here, the battery was at 85%. The heating's been on for 30 minutes. Well, I think I've got about 2 minutes left to go, and it's only at 83%. So well worth getting if you want to be camping in your van as well. It means you can just whack the heating on for a little bit. Really, it barely uses up any battery at all. For the win! Tonight for dinner, I'm having chicken and veggie stew that I made at home because it was easy. I'm going to go and eat this, watch the sun go down, get into bed with a glass of wine. Look at this wicked view. Good morning, it's 6:30. Now I'm warming the car up and going to get some coffee on. Let's get some light in here. Coffee is coming. Major flaw in my plan is that the induction hob is tripping the Bluetti, which means I can't have a cup of coffee in the van. I have to get out and warm up the transier. I'm very sad right now. Very, very sad. Fuck! This is why you test your equipment before you go. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. That's really annoying. Fuck, fuck, fuck. This is a smug face, because I just remembered I had electric hookup, so I brought the cable inside, and now the induction hob is working, and I can have coffee inside without getting dressed. Kody's not happy because he's seen the rabbits now, and he's like, I want to go out now that I know that there's things I can hunt and kill. So after coffee, Kody. Can't have coffee without creamer. No. I'm so chuffed I got that to work. Would have literally ruined my morning if I'd not done that. This is how you can tell that I'm neurodiverse. I'd already planned my entire morning around having my cup of coffee in the van, the order that I'm going to get dressed, have breakfast and all of that. And about sent me into a tailspin where I was like, oh, I don't know what to do first anymore, because it had completely gone off my routine. And I was like, no. And then paralysis hit, because then I was like, well, my plan's gone out the window, so now I don't know what to do. But then friggin' lightning bolt out the blue. So thank you, brain, for kicking into gear, even without coffee, so that I can actually have my coffee and my porridge before I even have to get dressed. It's a beautiful sound. It boils so quick, maybe a minute. That's what I'm having for breakfast this morning. Never had these before. I'm not sure if I like it. It's not very sweet, just needs a stir. Maybe we'll get better with more bites. It's not getting better.